Hello everyone, back again with another hotel review video, and this time we're doing the Holiday Inn Express. It's been a while since I stayed at a Holiday Inn Express. I'm already checked in. I have breakfast included and we're going to have dinner here tonight, so yeah, I'm literally staying in that room up there with the window open on the second floor. So yeah, let's go and have a look inside. Greeted with a couple of flowers. Reception there. Lift's going up. Little machine, get some ice. Looks like this one's out of order, which is a shame. Go down with a drink. They do have a bar. Let's go check it out. So here we are. We're on the second floor. There I am. Right, Monday to Friday breakfast times. So we've got busy times being 6:30 to 8, quieter times 8 to 8:45, and 8:45 to 9:30. Very quiet. But yeah, let's have a look. We're here on the second floor. Quite a nice little area. It's actually nice to see some actual nice decor. So our room is literally just here, number 217. Alright, let's go and check out the room. Alright, so here we are in the room, and here is the emergency escape route. So we've got one either end of the far corridor, so this one here and this one here. Obviously not allowed to use lifts in the event of a fire. Alright, then you've got your air conditioning system, which you can turn up and turn down. Probably a bit hotter today, we'll turn that a little bit. Obviously you've got to put your key card in there, and all your light switches. I think I've turned something off. Right, then you've got an iron and an ironing board. You don't often see ironing boards, so that's good. You've got a full length mirror with a light above it. Got your good old fashioned hairdryer. A little bit of storage. Got our shoes there. Whatever this is here, some more storage. I suppose if you stayed a few days, put some food there and stuff, some biscuits to go with your tea and coffees. We've got two different mugs for some reason. PG Tips, some sort of coffee there. Got Kenko, brown and white sugar, and the milk. And this really tiny kettle. Oh, it's already got water in it. Someone's left their water in it. But yeah, it looks pretty clean. Except from around that top bit there, but beggars can't be choosers. And then you've got a spare towel there, somewhere to put your suitcases. It's quite handy. Got some hangers there if you're staying for a few days, put your clothes up. These are quite cool, I've never seen these before. So you've got like coat hooks, put your jackets on the wall. Right, then we've got the main bedroom. Got to apologise for Karen, she's having a sleep. You alright there, Karen? Yeah. She's a bit tired. Yeah. She has given us permission to film. She didn't want to sit up on the sofa or anything. Yeah. Did you? Lazy? Well, not really. So yeah, we've got a TV, a nice little desk, and got a little bin down there. So I thought we was going to get like the restaurant menus and stuff in here, but you don't. Got this pretty cool light though. Little reading light comes on. It's pretty cool. Little like ring light. Couple of plugs here for charging your phone up. Do get free Wi-Fi in this hotel, and as I said, breakfast is included. Got this quite nice little leather chair here. It's quite nice to sit on, a little spinny chair, taking us round to the sofa. So be sitting on there, it's quite comfy. Got an old-fashioned telephone, some reading lights. Got this weird little light up here. Look at them cables there. I bet old Marcus would like that. Cables everywhere on display. I mean, it's not the best up there, is it? Look, it's just floating in midair. Probably an electrician's nightmare. Right, got a little view from outside. So that's where I was filming from down there. So I was just checking in. And yeah, also next to the beds you've got the So I bet you got the plug sockets there. Just had low battery on my phone, hopefully it didn't cut anything out. Quite a nice bed this. It's not as big as some of the ones you're staying, it's quite narrow, as you can see. Kaz takes up most of it. How is it? Come on, tell us how the bed is.
It's a bit hard, but it's alright. It's quite firm.
It's
okay.
You got a choice of pillows as well, haven't you?
Yeah, I think I've got the firm one, I think.
Yeah, so you get a choice of firm or soft. So yeah, so Kaz has got a little plug next to her socket, little plug socket next to her bed, a little reading light as well. So yeah, it's charging up. But yeah, we'll give you a proper review on this bed in the morning, just to tell you what it's like. But I haven't laid on it myself yet. It seems all right. Right, now we're going to go to the bathroom, which is weird because it's got, if you're a bit taller, you can see through it. Also, you can turn the main light off and it's like a weird blue light in there, which Karen reckons is for drug dealers.
No, it's to deter drug dealers.
To deter drug dealers.
Not drug dealers, drug takers.
Drug takers.
Drug takers. Because if it's a blue light, you can't see your vein when you inject yourself.
Oh, is that right?
So that's maybe why it's a blue light.
But you can just put the white one on. Right, anyway, here is our handle. Let's go in. You don't even need to open it. You can just push. We're in. So, as you can see, that just shut. Yes, that is the toilet. It's actually got the door that actually swings to it, which is quite weird. So, you're coming in here. You've got your little glass shelf here. You've got somewhere to plug your shaver in. If you've forgotten something, you can get stuff. You've got your other towel here. And bin on the floor. Got a nice little corner sink with mirrors all the way around. So yeah, three mirrors. 3 mirrors, that's quite good. You've got free complimentary hand soap. And some shower gel and shampoo there. I've not tried the shower, obviously I've only just checked in. Somewhere to put your shape. You don't often get that. No. The only thing with this bathroom, there's a lot of mould in it. So if I zoom in down there, got some growing down there, there's some in the other corner. God knows what's happened down here. A bit down there. But yeah, obviously the ventilation ain't very good in here. It's only got this little vent that looks a bit dusty. But there is mould on the ceiling as well. More so when you go into the toilet compartment. So you're in here. Got your nice little toilet roll holder. And whatever the hell this is, I'm guessing it's meant to put some sort of tissues in there. Somewhere to hang your dressing gown, I suppose. And here's the mould again. So yeah. Probably just needs a little bit of freshening up and a bit more thorough cleaning with the mould what's around. But other than that, it seems like quite a good bathroom. Quite a nice size. And the bedroom's pretty big. The sofa I wasn't expecting. But yeah, we'll let you know how much this costs in the morning. We're going to go and get dinner and check out the bar soon. We'll take you down with us, see what's there. And then obviously we get the breakfast in the morning as well. So yeah, we'll catch you downstairs in the bar when this one wakes up. Wake up, Garrett. Just chilling out in the bar now, have a drink, watching a bit of TV, good old news. Happy as always. And there's the bar. Here's the menu. Not a great choice on there.
Menu I saw on
Oh, this is the menu they've got here. So I've gone for the Aberdeen Angus beef, or beef lasagna. I've got a big portion of chips.
And I've gone for the crispy chicken mac and cheese with garlic bread.
Oh yeah, hopefully this will be nice. It looks alright. Let's crack in. And for dessert we've gone for the caramel apple Betty with custard.
Yeah, it looks really good.
There wasn't really much choices on the menu, so this is what we've gone with. Looks good though.
Yeah.
Right, good morning everyone. Oh, lovely night's sleep. I've slept for, what do you reckon, about 10 hours?
Something like that, yeah.
Oh, good night's sleep. I woke up now, just after 8 o'clock. I did plan on going out a bit earlier than this, but yeah, we're going down for breakfast now. You hungry?
I'm a bit hungry, yeah.
Did you have a good night's sleep?
Yeah, not too bad.
Right, we'll talk about the bed and stuff when we come back up after breakfast. But we're going to do the breakfast, and we'll do the roundup of the room, the hotel, how much we paid, and what we thought of the food. Right, let's go down and see what they've got on offer.
Cool.
Come on, turn it around. Oh. Trash in the place. Ooh. Quite nice. Right, let's go check out the buffet. So that is our stay here at the Holiday Inn Express done.
Yeah.
Time for our little review of what we thought of the hotel. So, first of all, let's talk about dinner last night. I actually really enjoyed it.
Yeah, it was nice.
It was quite cheap for the money. If you'd have went out to a restaurant, you probably would have paid more. My dinner was what, £12.50, yours was 12.
Yeah, quite reasonable.
So, but they weren't the biggest of portions, but they were really tasty.
I thought they were big enough for me, but yeah, maybe not for you, but mine was alright.
Nice dessert as well.
Yeah,
Desserts were a bit
apple
pricey.
tea.
Yeah, £6 each. Desserts were a little bit pricey. I did ask for ice cream on mine. They brought out with custard, but to be fair, I haven't had custard for a while, and it actually probably went better with custard. It was really
That's
nice.
what I thought. I think caramel apple batter does go better with custard
Yeah.
than ice cream.
Nah, let's talk about the stay. How did you sleep here?
Yeah, I slept alright actually.
Yeah. Is that your review?
Well, view of the hotel, it was quite enough hotel. It's clean enough and quite modern looking. And
What about the mould in the bathroom?
there's a tiny bit of mould in the bathroom in the corner of the shower unit, but you get that everywhere really.
Yeah, little bit of mould.
I'd say a little bit.
That could easily be be fixed with a little tiny bit of housekeeping. So if the cleaner come in here and just sprayed a bit of mould spray on it and give it a little wipe, that would be gone. I don't think it'd come back. There's quite good ventilation in there. So it just needs a little bit of housekeeping every so often when it does appear. But yeah, the bed, I actually really enjoyed it. I thought it was going to be quite small for the two of us when I first got here. The bed didn't look that big, but I laid on it and I literally sunk into it. It was really soft. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah.
And I must have done because I had a really good night's sleep and you had to wake me up this morning.
I did. I had to go wakey, and like shake your shoulder a little bit.
So I was sparkle, and I don't normally get much sleep. I normally only have about 6 or 7 hours, if that. I must have had 10 hours in this.
Yeah.
Yeah. You probably had about the same. You went to bed early?
Yeah, but I got up before you. I always get up before you, don't I? I normally get up about 6.
Yeah. Right, now that brings us on to the breakfast.
Breakfast was quite nice.
Yeah,
I liked it.
we'll ask Karen first, because she didn't have a cooked breakfast.
No, I don't normally go for the oily cooked breakfast, but I had 2 croissants, 2 little mini muffins, and a bread roll, and it was all very fresh and tasty. The croissants were extra fresh and tasty, I thought.
And don't forget, grab and go
yeah,
as well.
Grab and go bag with 2 croissants in it as well. Yeah,
Yeah, so we got some,
croissants to go.
and I've got a banana as well. Little
Yeah,
bit of a snack on the road
Yeah, why not?
for free. Why not?
Yeah, it's included in the room rate, so I thought fabulous for that price. You can't go wrong. It's free, so.
Now that brings me on to my breakfast. Now first up I went out and I got an orange juice. Now this wasn't their fault, but the orange juice is obviously, the orange had run out and it was literally just pure water with a little bit of orange in it, and it tasted absolutely disgusting.
Yeah.
I had to tell them about it and they changed it, which was good, and then it was nice. Right, so the beans were alright, the scrambled egg was alright, the bacon was passable.
Okay.
The tomato, you cut into it and there's just pure juice coming out of it. They hadn't really cooked that very well. It was a weird colour as well.
Yeah, it looks a bit green.
Yeah. The hash brown was too dried. Needed a bit more grease on it to make it a little bit more softer. It was quite hard and yeah, it didn't taste great. And them sausages, I actually left the sausages. I normally finish all my breakfast and I put 2 sausages on my plate. I had 1 bite of one and I left them. They were the worst sausages I think I've ever eaten in my entire life. So,
What did they taste of?
like chewing on a bit of cardboard.
Are they really bland? And
Yeah, they had no flavour to them.
They're literally plain and white
They'd
inside.
burnt the outside of them. There was 2 cooked on the outside and they were really, really just pure white in the middle. Like,
They're pure white. They looked a bit like chicken on the inside or something. They look
Yeah.
really bland.
it wasn't good.
No.
But that might just be what the sausages they use at this hotel. That might not be at every hotel. So hopefully when you stay at one, they have a better breakfast than this.
At least it was free though. It was included in the room rates. We can't really complain too much
Yeah.
about it. But I know what you mean. The sausages weren't really up to much.
Yeah, but overall, I'd give this a nice solid 8.5 out of 10.
Yeah, I'll give it an 8.5 out of 10 as
Yeah,
well.
yeah. Could have been 9 if that breakfast was a bit better.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's an ideal location. There's a shopping centre literally like a 2-minute walk away as well.
Yeah, just over here there's a shopping
Yeah,
centre.
we're off there now for a CXN charity shop hunt.
Yeah.
But yeah, this room, let's get onto the price of it. So you got your bed for the night, you got your breakfast in the morning. Now, I think if you book it direct, there's a sign on the wall by reception that says from £79. But I booked it with booking.com. I am Genius level 2, so I get 15% off, I think it is. So I actually paid £64 for this room. Think it's worth it?
Yeah, I think that's quite good.
Yeah,
Very reasonable.
we stayed in some bad ones. Do you
Yeah.
think we stayed in that OYO hotel?
Oh yes.
Yeah, and that weren't that much cheaper than this.
No,
So £64, definitely worth your money.
definitely.
But I'll say that is with a discount for the Genius level 2. So I don't know how much it's meant to be before that discount.
Maybe 79.
It might have been 79, or it might have been about 75, I don't know.
I don't know.
Someone do the maths. About 15% off. But yeah, that just needs to say thank you all for watching this video. And we get some more hotel reviews for you. Let us know in the comments which one you want us to visit. Kaz has already got her eyes on, was it Doubletree by Hilton?
Yeah, that sounds quite nice.
Yeah. But anyway, thank you all for watching. And as always, bye for now.
Bye for